Adding and multiplying matrices. We use matrices when we are trying to solve for a system of equations. For example, here in A, we can see that we have a matrix 3 by 3, and this represents a system of equations which is 3x plus 2y plus 4z, 2x plus 2z, 4x plus 2y plus 2. Now we are going to learn how to add matrices. In order to add matrices, we need to have the same size for each one and a result of the same 2 by 2.
Adding matrices is just like adding numbers. And as a result, we'll just add the two numbers for each column and row, and we'll get the result of the numbers. As we finish, we'll get a result of a 2 by 2 as well, but just with different numbers. For example, 4 plus 1, we'll get 5, 3 plus 5, we'll get 8, 8 plus 0, we'll get 8, and 7 plus 2, we'll get 9. Now we're going to learn how to multiply matrices. In order to multiply matrices, we first need to look at the size of each matrix. In AB, we look at A, and A has 2 rows and 3 columns. And we look at B, and B has 3 rows and 2 columns. Now we can see that A is a 2 by 3 matrix, and B is a 3 by 2 matrix. So in order to multiply matrices, we need to have the same number of columns for A, and we need to have the same number of rows for B. So we have a 3 by 2 matrix with a 2 by 3. So now we'll start by multiplying row 1 from A and column 1 from B. So we'll start by multiply 2 times 1 plus 0 times 3 plus 1.2. And that will give us the result of the number row 1, column 1, which is. Next, we'll continue by multiplying row 1 from A and column 2 from B. So then we'll get 2 times 0 plus 0 times negative 2 plus 1 times 4. Next, we'll multiply row 2 from A with column 1 from B. So now we'll get 2 times 1 plus 1 times 3 plus 3 times 2, which will get the number row 1, column 2, which is 11. Now we'll multiply row 2 from A with column 2 from B, which will get 2 times 0